Hi everyone, this is the first video of my Yoga at Desktop series. From personal experience, I know after working continuously on the laptop for a few hours, I start feeling a strain in my neck, shoulders, back, sometimes even the wrists. This pain, if not taken care of, can easily develop into a chronic injury as our lifestyles become more and more sedentary. This video is focused at helping you counter the effects of sitting continuously in front of a computer and relieve any stress in various body parts. The exercises are designed in such a way that they can be done while sitting at your workstation in office, while you are at home, or even while waiting at the airport. So let's get started. Let's start with the shoulders. Cross your right arm over your left arm and interlace your arms. If you're not able to bring your palms together, just join the back of your hands. Lift your elbows up and your arms out and away from you. Now just breathe deeply into the stretch you feel between your shoulder blades. Slowly release and shake your arms side to side. Now bring your left hand over your right and interlace your arms. Keep your elbows up. This is an excellent stretch to release the tension that builds up between the shoulder blades as we hunch over our computers the whole day. Now slowly release. Next, we'll do a spine twist. As you inhale, take your right hand up and bring it on the outside of the left knee. As you exhale, turn towards your left, taking the help of the back of your chair with your left hand. Hold for a breath and release. Then just take your left hand up and bring it outside the right knee. As you exhale, twist to the right. Breathe into the twist and release. Let's move further down to our hips. Place your right ankle across your left knee. Flex your right foot and let your knee open to the side. And then just lean forward. Keep your hips back and navel in. If there's a desk in front of you, reach out to the desk. Now slowly come up. Switch the feet. Flex your left foot. Keeping the hip bone grounded, lean forward. Feel the stretch in the hip flexors. Take one more breath and slowly come up. Great. Next, let's do a calf stretch. Raise your right leg in front and flex your foot so that your toes point towards you. Maintain the stretch for a breath. Then slowly release. Then raise your left leg in front and flex your left foot. Take a breath and release. Great. Repeat the motion a couple of times on each side. Feel the stretch on the back of your legs. Our calf muscles tend to contract due to excessive sitting. This is a great exercise for your calves as well as your knees. When you're done, release. Now finally, let's do a quick stretch for the neck. Take your right hand up and bring it over to the left side of your head. Use it to pull your head towards the right shoulder. Take a breath here and then release. Repeat for the left side. Use your left hand to pull the head towards the left shoulder. Feel the nice stretch on the right side of the neck. Then release. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath and feel the effects of the practice on your body.
That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video useful, and do let me know if there's anything related to yoga that you would like me to do a video on. Time to get back cracking. Bye-bye.